Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can create an Active Directory tenant on Microsoft Azure. By default, Microsoft will automatically create a default Active Directory tenant for you. When I go to Active Directory, you can see I have a default directory here. But when you sign in fresh or the first time you log into your Azure portal and then you register a subscription, you need to create your own Active Directory tenant to manage your business. So when I go to this switch directories, you can see I only have one Active Directory tenant here. That's the default directory. So I want to create a new one that I will use to manage my business. So this is what I'm going to do. I can either search straight from here, Active Directory. Click on it. Then in the overview grid, we have Manage Tenant. So I'll click on Manage Tenant. Then you can see I have two tenants here, but the down one was not showing. I think I wasn't able to finish the configuration. So if you want to create a new tenant, you click on Create. Then give you the two links. So you can choose from either Active Directory or Active Directory B2C. This is business to consumer, but I'll stick with the Active Directory. Then go to next configuration. Here you specify your organization's name. So let's say my organization name is Naki PCs. Naki, let me say Naki Computing. Then give it you initial domain name. So that name will be the name.onmicrosoft.com. That will be the domain name that by default Microsoft will give to you. But after the creation, you can add custom domain names to your Azure domains. So I'll just type Naki XYZ. Then choose the location. So it says you cannot change the geographic location after you create the directory. So make sure you select the correct geographic location because your choice determines the data center for your directory. So the location that you choose will determine the data center where you want to place your Active Directory configurations. So let me check if Ghana is in. Ghana is not in. Then let me stick with United States. Then click on review and create. Check if configuration everything is correct. Set validation pass. Then just click on create. I'm creating a new tenant. Just type DW. Says tenant creation in progress. This will take a few minutes. Alright, so this is the step that you have to follow if you want to create a new Active Directory tenant. Let's wait for some time. Alright, it says the creation was successful. Click your new tenant, so you can just click on Naki Computing. Another tab has opened, so you'll be redirect to our Naki Active Directory tenant and dashboard. So right now you can check under my account, the name has changed to Naki Computing. So this is a new Active Directory tenant. When we check the previous one, you can see it's default directory under the Microsoft account. So we have another directory that we can use to manage our business. When we go to, we can this Active Directory grid, We can create new users. By default, the one or the user who created the Active Directory will be a global administrator. That's by default. So this is my account. You can check this out. Active Directory. Go to users. Click on my account. Assign rules. Yeah, I am the global administrator because I created this Active Directory tenant. So by default, the person or the user who creates an Active Directory tenant will be a global administrator. Alright, so that's it. That's how you can create an Active Directory tenant to manage your business. So right now I can start a free trial, or I can add a subscription to my account or my Active Directory tenant. I can switch between tenants. You can see I have like KIT solution, so I can switch to the default Active Directory that Microsoft provide. This one have a subscription, so I can do whatever I want to do, create users, groups. If I don't want to use the tenant again, let's say we have finished with that part of the business. Let's say we use this tenant for some practical or demo. We finish everything, we want to delete this Active Directory tenant. So to delete, let me switch to my default directory. Go to Active Directory, manage tenant, select the tenant that you want to delete, click on delete. It says checking whether it can be deleted. So check everything. We have the permission to delete this tenant, so just click on delete. Says successfully deleted, so you can refresh the page and check if the tenant is gone or it has been removed. Try switching to different tenant. This is still the switch to default. I think this has been deleted, but this time before it will be removed. Go to Active Directory. From the overview blade, I will click on manage tenant. Yeah, it has been removed. This is it. So this is how you can create an Active Directory tenant. After you finish or you are done with the tenants, then you delete it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Till we meet again.